So I'm repeating it again. Today's class is all about the formation and the second topic, which is what I do every day, which is taken from your language textbook. I'm repeating the classwork again. We are going to learn about the what I do every day, just a quick introduction of it, and we should know the formation, which is A to Z alphabets. Can any one of you know or have any idea that why is it really important to know the formation or to know A to Z alphabets? First, let me tell you, then I will ask one of you to tell me why is it important to know A to Z alphabets or the formation, and why is it very important to learn its sound? Why is it important? It is really important because we cannot think, we cannot even speak, we cannot even write when we don't know the formation, when we don't know how it sounds. Am I right? To speak, to write, or to think, we must have a language. And for a language, there must have alphabets. जब तक हमें अल्फाबेट्स का पता ही नहीं होगा, हम एक दूसरे का नाम भी नहीं ले सकते, हम सोच भी नहीं सकते, हम सोचेंगे किस लैंग्वेज में। देखें कि कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर आपको फॉर्मेशन अल्फाबेट्स ही ना आते हो, हाउ कैन यू इवन स्पेल योर नेम? You cannot even think it, you cannot even tell me your name when we don't know the formation. ठीक है? So it is really important because it's the basic and it tells how to spell, how to write, how to think. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले आपको अपनी फॉर्मेशन, अगर किसी की नहीं ठीक, सबको अपनी फॉर्मेशन सही करनी है। मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ that how you're going to start your work in your language notebooks. At first, you have to maintain your index. In index, you have to write serial number, date, topic, page number, and teacher sign. ठीक है? Your first topic is first bi-monthly. Second topic is what I do every day. And the third topic is formation. Let me show it on my screen. So that you have even have any questions, so it can be clear. Like this. You have to maintain date, topic, serial number, page number properly. Your first topic is first bi-monthly. The second one is what I do every day, and the third one is formation. So maintain this index. Then secondly, what you have to do, you have to make 2 title pages. I'm repeating, 2 title pages. One for first bi-monthly and the second one for what I do every day. ठीक है? यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Is it clear to everyone? Show me thumbs up. Good. ठीक है. I'm moving forward. This is your formation. I need one student to read it. Just one student. Okay, one line is going to read by Mohammed Ayan. Yes, Mohammed Ayan. Read it.
Yes.
Just read the first line. Sorry?
Is course नहीं है, course और वो copies
I'm explaining. मैं दोबारा बता देती हूँ. नहीं है किसी के पास अभी course, but you have to complete it. You have to write it in your rough copies. No matter what, just do complete your work on time. So, Mohammed Ayan, just read the first line. Just look at the arrow where it's going. Just read the first line.
A,
The first
B,
letter is A. Hmm.
F, G, H, L, I, J, K, L, M, N.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mohammed Ayan. Yes, Falak. Read the rest letters.
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V.
Thank you. Thank you, Falak. Yes, Hafsa. Read the rest of the letters. Hmm.
S T U V W X Y and Z.
Very good, Hafsa. So now I have an idea that everyone, सबको पता है यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन इसीलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि हमें सोचना, लिखना, how to write it, how to think, how to speak, and even for a good handwriting. It's really important to know the formation, to know the correct formation. So basically the concept of reviewing the formation was this. ठीक है, ताकि सबको पता हो, एक रिव्यू हो जाए. I am going to share one video with you. You have to just give me answers, sort of like your a quiz, a short quiz. Let me share it on your screen. Just give me a second. What did we have learned so far? We learned about the formation, how it sound, how it write, किस तरह से हमें formation करनी चाहिए, किस तरह से sounds याद रखने चाहिए. अब तक homework लिखा, formation किस तरह होती है. अब क्या है next बेटा? Open your language textbook, page number 2. And I need one student to read page number 2. It's basically about what I do every day. This unit is about what I do every day. मैं क्या करती हूँ, ठीक है? And it's about what Julian does every day. It's a girl. What I do every day. I need one student to read this just for intro. I will explain it later. I just need one student to read page number 2. Hania Hussain, do you have your textbook with you? Do you have your textbook, Hania Hussain?
Miss, I don't have.
All right.
All right.
Abrish, do you have your textbook with you? Okay. Open page number 2 and start reading. It's about what Julian does every day. This is page number 2. I cannot hear you, Abrish. Abrish, I cannot hear you. No, I cannot hear you. Okay, let me read it for you all. It's about what Julian do every day. Look at the pictures, they show a day in Julian's life. Talk about the questions with your peers. Peers are basically your friends. This is a picture about Julian's family. ये Julian's की family है, and they are showing Mr. Morris, Julian, Marcus, Lucy, and Mrs. Morris. Mr. Morris and Mrs. Morris are father and mother of Julian. So the first picture is about who wakes Julian up. At what time does he wake up? This picture shows who is waking Julian up. The first picture shows Lucy is waking Julian up. Yes, Abrish, can you give me the answer of question number 2? At what time does he wake up? As you can see, the picture is being, in the picture, the clock is being drawn. Abrish, no, I still cannot hear you. Can you type the answer in the chat box? Shanze, do you have your, okay, Bushra have it. Bushra, give me the answer of question number 2. At what time does he wake up?
Yes, ma'am.
At what time
Yes, ma'am.
does he wake up? Good, Abrish.
मैम आप दोबारा रिपीट करेंगे, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Alright. मैंने बताया कि ये जूलियन की फैमिली है, ठीक है? Then the next question I asked, which is, yes, Bushra, this one. Who wakes Julian up? It is clearly shown that Lucy is waking Julian up. And the second question is, at what time does he wake up? The clock is being drawn. So yes, can you tell me the time?
5:30.
Very good.
5:30.
Very good. तो हमने आज क्या पढ़ा? Formation. Why is it important? Why do we learn it? Why is it important to learn its sound, remember its sound? We just had a quick review of your unit 1, which was what I do every day. Then you write your homework, which is write partner letter in your language exercise book. Now, shall we continue with the class?